Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x cube minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or let's consider x is equal to k cos theta. So we will have k cos theta whole cube minus 3 times k cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to k cos theta, or we can write here k cube cos cube theta minus 3 k cos theta. Taking this positive 1 to right side, we will get negative 1. Or now divided both side by k, we will write here k square cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to negative 1 over k, divided both side by k. Again we know a cosine formula, that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. So putting value k is equal to 2, we will have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to negative half. Here k is equal to 2. Or now we know 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. So we can write here cos 3 theta is equal to negative half, or cos 3 theta is equal to negative half is the value of cos 2 pi by 3. Or again we know when cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2 n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. So we can write here 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. Now divided both side by 3, theta is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus or minus 2 pi by 3 times 3, that means 9. As we have x is equal to k cos theta, putting value of k and theta, we will get x is equal to 2 cos of 2n pi by 3 plus or minus 2 pi by 9. Here n belongs to integer. So x is equal to, when n is equal to 0, the expression will be 2 cos 2 pi by 9. And when n is equal to 1, and for negative, it will be 2 cos 4 pi by 9, and when n is equal to 1 and it will be positive, it will be 2 cos 8 pi by 9. And for the rest value of n, after simplifying this expression, every term will return this and this value. So these are the distance value for every n. So the approximate solutions of this expression is calculating this. It will get 1.532. It will get 0.347, and it will get negative 1.879. So these are the root of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.